If you've worked in R, you've definitely encountered some error message that just didn't make any sense to you. There's a new tool in Positron that allows you to easily make sense of and even fix your errors. To show you how this works, I'm going to load the tidyverse and Palmer penguins. I am going to make a simple bar chart, or at least I'm going to try to. With this penguins data, I'm just doing a count on island and you can see what it looks like. Then I pipe this into ggplot. I'm putting island on the x-axis, n on the y, and I'm making a bar chart. I run this and I get this weird error. Error in geom_bar, problem while computing stat, error occurred in the first layer, etc. It doesn't really make sense. But you see this text down below, fix and explain? These are built-in tools with Positron Assistant that help you to fix and explain errors. Okay, first let me click explain. When I do that, it pops open a window here where it is actually explaining the error. Looking at your code, I can explain what's happening, and you can see how it's giving me a really nice explanation of what the error is. If I scroll down here, you can see that it actually tells me the two options that I have. And I could copy this code, I could paste it in, and now it works. Now that's a great solution, but there's another way you can do this. AI can actually fix your code for you. Okay, so I've undone that. I'm going to run this again. And now instead of explain, I'm going to click fix. Okay, so the response you can see is a lot shorter. It's basically just giving me a fix. I'm also going to now click this button, which will apply this in my editor. You can see now it's suggesting removing this geom_bar line, that's what the red is, and then adding this geom_call line. I'll hit keep, and you can see it has fixed my code for me. I can select it all, I can run it again, and I get my bar chart. That's it for today. Hope you learned something useful. If you want to get tips like this in your email, sign up at rfortherestofus.com/newsletter.